So, you want to learn how to make this? Wow, it's so cool! Well, you're gonna need some of this, some of this, some of this, and of course, some of these. So let's get started. Okay, so I got these two records for 50 cents each in a charity shop. They are very old and they were just thrown in a basket, so as you can see, they are covered in scratches, so I promise I'm not ruining perfectly good records. And then all you're gonna need is a heat gun. You can use a hairdryer as well if you want. Please don't put them in an oven. Do not use your oven, especially if you use that oven to cook food, because it will release gases and stuff, and you don't want that in your food. The ideal scenario would be if you have like a vacuum former with an extractor to take all the gases out, but obviously I doubt any of you have a vacuum former. Either heat gun here or a hairdryer, like I said, will also work. Like I said with the gases, please do this preferably outside, if not near an open window, and also preferably wear one of these bad boys, just in case it releases any gases you don't want to be breathing in. Melting plastic, basically. Plastic in general is just, you don't want to be breathing that in. And then you're also going to need a hard surface to bend it over. I'm actually going to be using the edge of the desk here. I'll move the camera so you can see me bending it over the edge of the desk. But yeah, it's a pretty easy, quick DIY thing to do, so let's go. So I won't really be able to talk during this bit because I'm going to have my heat gun on and that gets loud. But I have the first one here. I have the edge of the desk, and you're basically bending it literally along the line that meets up with the middle hole. You're bending it in half, basically. It's not that complicated. So I will stop speaking now, and you can watch me do this and basically copy what I do. So it'll be moving along the line. It may take a while to get it to the state where you can properly bend it, but I can feel that's getting hot now. And then you're gonna want to just press down slowly. Obviously it's not hot enough yet. Press down and it will bend over the edge of the desk. And this is what it should look like. The trick is you shouldn't be heating it up so much that you can't touch it with your hands. You have to use the minimal amount of heat possible, because that's also going to minimize the amount of gases and stuff you're releasing into your lungs. So you do not need a lot of heat. Just take it slow, take it steady. It will take a few minutes. And then yeah, once you've bent it, you have this cute little shelf. Once you have it bent to the shape you want it bent to, I recommend going a bit over 90 degrees, because when you put stuff on the shelf, it'll weigh it down a little bit. We then have to drill the holes to be able to mount it to the wall. I cannot find where my dad's drill is, so I'm just going to use my Dremel instead with a drill bit, but you can just use a drill. And what you're going to want to do is drill a hole on either side. Make sure they're on the same side at either end. It doesn't really matter which side you do, because you could just flip it and, you know. I'm just going to do here and here. Just move this so I'm kind of just off the edge here. And you have a little hole. The other side. Again, wear your mask while doing this, because microplastics, but it's fine. I mean, it's not fine, but you should wear your mask. And you should have two little holes either side that we can use to mount it to a wall. When it comes time to mount it to a wall, obviously you just drill screws or hammer nails into a wall and then hang it. And you can either do it this way, like this, or this way, like that. It depends if you want to be able to see the bottom of the record, or if you have it this way, the things on the shelf will kind of block the top of the record. So you can do it either way, doesn't matter. I decided to do mine upside down because I might hang some string from the 2 screws, and then I can put some key rings hanging from them. I think would be a really cute idea. And yeah, that's how you make record shelves. Pretty simple. You just bend a record in half, but they came out so cute. Also, another cool idea would be use the drill or the Dremel, make tiny little holes around the rim, and then you can hang up your Bill Cipher earrings around the edge, and you can have a little earring holder as well, which will be really cute. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!